With problem D, whose slope is 4 and that passes through the point -9, 10. So we still need to write this in slope-intercept form. So we have the slope. We know M is 4. But B is the y-intercept, and that is not the y-intercept. It's not 0, a number. So we need to get the y-intercept. But we can use our slope-intercept equation, and instead of x and y, we are going to plug in these two numbers to get the b. So use your equation. Instead of y, we are going to put +10 equals, what was my slope? The 4. And then what was the x? -9 plus b. So let's solve for b. 4 times -9 is -36. Bring down your 10 equals plus b. Let's get b by itself. So you need to add that 36 to both sides. So 10 plus 36 is 46 for b. Well, the question was, write the equation, so we're still not done. But we have the m is 4 and the b is 46. So now we can write our equation. Y equals 4x plus 46. All right, let's look at problem E. So it's telling us we need to write an equation. It has a slope of -5, 6, and it passes through the point -1, -7. So we're going to do the same steps. We know this is our slope. We need to make it into an equation. So that's the formula we're looking for. But it gives us a point, not the y-intercept, the b. So let's use our slope-intercept equation and plug in the numbers we do have. So what's our y? -7. What's our m? -5/6. What's your x? -1 plus b, and solve for b. So two negatives make a +5, 6 plus b. Subtract 5, 6 on both sides, so they cancel out. And that is -47/6 equals b. Now for that, -47/6, you need to keep it as a mixed number because the slope is a fraction, not a mixed number, improper fraction, because the slope is a fraction. So we need to plug in our m and our b to make our equation. So y equals -5, 6x minus our b, that 47/6. And lastly, our problem F. So it's telling us it contains the point 4, -1 and has a slope that is undefined. So if you recall, our slope that is undefined, an undefined slope is a vertical line. And the equation always for a vertical line or as in undefined is x equals a number. So that's the equation that we're looking for undefined. So if you draw out your coordinate plane, and we know that the point is somewheres around here. So our line, because it's undefined, it's a vertical line. So the line looks like that. So for our equation, x equals, where does it hit the x? At positive 4. So that is your final answer. And then if it asks us for a slope that is 0, the equation for a horizontal line or 0, your equation will be x equals a number. Because this 0 slope is a horizontal line. So if we have this, and then here's our line, the equation would be y equals, I don't know, let's say this is on the -3. So that would be the equation for a slope that is 0. Y equals a number. And if the slope is undefined, your equation would look like x equals a number.